Stop before you waste $500 on sluggish throttle response. Your fix might be completely free and it only takes 30 seconds. In this guide, I'll share 4 proven methods to reset your throttle position sensor TPS. Each one is quick, beginner-friendly, and designed for different situations. Stick with me until method 3. It's the most powerful fix when nothing else works. Method number 1. Ignition pedal reset quick and easy. Perfect if your car feels sluggish, your throttle isn't responding right, or your engine revs oddly without showing any error codes. No tools needed. Steps: park safely, turn off the car, and relax. Insert your key and turn it to the on position. Don't start the engine. Slowly press the gas pedal all the way down in about 3-4 seconds. Hold it down for 3 seconds, don't rush. Slowly release the pedal in for seconds. Repeat this press and release cycle 2 to 3 times. Turn the key to the off position and wait 10 seconds. Start the engine. Let it idle for 1-2 minutes, hands off the pedal. Now test the throttle. If it feels better, you're done. If not, move on. Common mistakes to avoid: starting the engine too early, pressing the pedal too fast, skipping the off phase before restarting. Method number 2. Battery disconnect reset. Great for clearing old ECU memory or fixing minor throttle issues when the basic reset doesn't help. Steps: turn off the car and remove the key. Open the hood and locate the battery. Disconnect the negative black terminal first. Wait 10-15 minutes for the system to discharge. Reconnect the terminal securely. Turn the key to the on position, engine off for 10 seconds, then back off for 10 seconds. Start the car and let it idle 10-15 minutes. Idle may be rough at first, this is normal. Turn off and restart the car to check for improvement. Method number 3. Hard reset TPS reprogramming. Best for stubborn throttle issues or after replacing the throttle body. This is your go-to if you see TPS-related error codes. Steps: park safely and turn the engine off. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 5 minutes. Reconnect the terminal and tighten it securely. Turn the ignition to the on position, don't start. Listen for a faint buzzing from the throttle body. Wait 2-5 minutes until it stops. Turn the ignition off and remove the key. Start the engine and let it idle 5-10 minutes. Take a short test drive to confirm throttle response. Method number 4. OBD2 scan tool reset. For modern cars with advanced ECUs, this is the cleanest and most precise method. Steps: turn off the engine and plug in your OBD2 scanner. Locate the OBD2 port, usually under the dash. Turn the ignition to on, engine off. Navigate to throttle, relearn TPS reset, accelerator pedal reset on your scan tool. Follow the on-screen steps. Start the car, let it idle 10-15 minutes, and take a short drive if needed. Pro tip for long-term smooth throttle: clean your throttle body every 12,000 miles, 20,000 km or sooner if you notice rough idling. Never use carb spray, thinner, or gasoline, they can damage components. Use a proper throttle body cleaner like Car C Throttle Body Cleaner, link in description. Which method worked for you? Drop your experience in the comments, it helps other drivers save money. If this guide saved you a trip to the mechanic, hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY fixes.